Let's see if Mike can answer the phone, because I gotta get this fan fixed. Now, you wouldn't want to fix it all last week. Thanks, Sherry. All right. Hey, Cherie girl, I just got your comment saying you love my hair. Thank you. Can't wait to get my earrings. Let's see. What I'm going to? Oh, Mike.
Sorry, the person you are trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Please.
I ain't leaving nothing. Now I'm going up here and I'm going upstairs early to see if she could take me early. I think this is my last one. All right, after I get the front desk. Something LED and I want it white. I'm looking at her. There she go. Trying to sit in the back. Get your ass up here. So we putting that back, y'all, because I don't think I think 44 is too small. But then again, I don't know, because I don't know what size my fan is. Small that 44 look. I might better go 48, huh? It look like Liam got a 42 in his room. And that 44 looks small. But look at shit, I don't know. Alright, we're gonna switch to this because baby, I better stick with 48. This is why people need to answer the darn phone. We going with her. Today is Friday, right? Yeah. Ask me if I got my fan fixed. Not yet. I'm doing what I do per usual. Waiting on people to pull up. Because there is a conversation that has to be had. But I'm gonna have to put y'all up because I can't be putting people's personal business on here. I mean, I'm not gonna do that. Oh, making a little bit of horse divers, aka hors d'oeuvres. Oh, I wonder if I got some coal for my hookah. Hold, please. Let's see. I don't even know what just hit me with the smoke hookah, but I don't. Dang, I don't have no more coals. Well, what time is it? 6:45. I'm going to the stove. I'm gonna give me some coals. You wanna go? You look like you wanna go. Now come on, bring y'all. Y'all can go. Hey. Can I still beat you up here? What is it, FPV 5? Yeah, I might have to get this whole thing, baby. Yeah, I don't want to, but yeah, when I'm doing 100, I'm gonna have to sell these damn coals. Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, what daddy? And yes, a co-sister-in-law is a thing. I had to Google it myself. What am I mixing with? Ooh. Sorry, y'all. Sorry. Boom. And one of these girls is a grenadine queen. What's a melon? Come on. Hey. Hey, Jaru. Come here. Get off this nasty little floor. All the hope you got. if they go as far as taking away our like birth control and stuff.
Because they did overturn it today.
They did.
Yeah, they did. They overturned it today.
I think here we can still do it up to 20 weeks, and if they turn it here, it's up to what, 6 weeks? Because I think they did it 6 weeks before. 6 weeks. I didn't know I was pregnant. So I was 3 months pregnant. Man. A lot of women don't know they're pregnant at 6 weeks. Wash them hands. I ain't trying to step on them. I don't know what kind of cocktail this is gonna be, but
I know. It's very different from when we were in school, but
yes,
yeah. Summer school's not a punishment no more because they say you can't really make it like a punishment for kids anymore because
that's the problem.
Message.
Exactly. It is the problem.
So me and TJ had caught a flight on a Delta 8, right? Catch it. But we were dying laughing at the fact that she's explaining kids going on field trips during summer school. Like, how?
Read to see law. I mean, with COVID, I got kids that's reading on a double A. Like, they don't know sight words to read, open a book, and even read. I see the cat.
I am not a teacher. She be reading on double A.
Like, they can't open a book and say, I see the cat. They can't do that.
Explain to me how this double A. Why is that coined or termed?
Because they don't know the sight words. They don't know sight words like and, me, the, I, go, see.
So where double A come from out of that?
I mean, that's the level, double A. That's like the very beginning. That's 4K level.
Oh, okay.
Like a 4-year-old should be able to look in a book and at least tell you the details.
So what's next, baby? I don't know why I'm so interested in this. Oh, so it goes literally A, B.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all the way up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're supposed to be on the M.
Hey.
Across the state. M.
Who phone he got? Yours, Janaya?
Mine.
Oh.
He's dead.
Our YouTube channel's only for kids. Oh, okay. So I'm too old to be on there.
No, but that's okay.
So you don't. So when I show it to you, you gonna subscribe?
Oh.
You don't know.
I'm 8, and I'm 8.
Oh, okay. Well, you not a 2 now. You ain't real. Don't worry about it. So what you got for me in the bag? You ain't brought me no snacks?
No.
Yes, you did. You got something for me? I like pig feet. I'm just playing. Let me get started.
About the Arrowhead Project and all that secret shit up on the mountain. That's what brought it down on us. That's what brought down the wrath of God.
I'm wearing a hat because I have new growth.
Girl, give me my hat back. I got new growth. You wanna win? Put it back on.
What today is? Oh, Monday? It's Monday? That's it? Oh. Ask me if I got my fan fixed yet. So I don't know why I kept thinking today is Tuesday. So I need to send out a message to my 3 cousins that y'all met. Well, all 2 of y'all probably already know them before I even started this, but if you don't, the 3 that were in the vlog where we went to dinner, we're supposed to be doing something this weekend. I'm excited. Supposed to be doing a little loose lips and libations, so I need to send out that message. And I got a package to open. Let's go open the package and send a message. I got a package. So while I'm unboxing my package, this is from Innovative Creations. I'm going to put her Instagram page right here. And the owner is Cherie, who I went to Kenneth Schuler with, where all the creatives go. So yeah, go and check out her page and get you something. Chantel, thanks for your support. I hope you have a great week. Cherie, aka Sherry. ShopInnovativeCreations.com. Finally, we got her fixed. Now let me move before one of these blades come off and fly in my head. Nah, I'm a scary girl, so I will be letting this run all night and sleep on the couch. Alright, so I'm headed. Oh, I can't say because I forgot Liam in the back seat. I wasn't gonna tell him where I'm going. I'll tell him later. So I can't say. Dang. Anyway, y'all listening to? I know y'all listening to the new Chris Brown. I know y'all listening to it. What is y'all favorite song? My favorite song. I got a couple. I like Pitch Black. I like Harder. I like Sex Memories. I like Psychic. And what's the other one I said? Addicted with Lil Baby. That's the other song that I like. Addicted. I don't know why I couldn't remember that. I'll probably see y'all again when I get to my destination. I ain't gonna make y'all ride with me today because you act like you aggravated or something when I be singing and stuff. So you don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I don't know what to do. I think I'd rather be in the ball pit, so when I get mad at my mom, I can throw the balls out and make them clean them up. Matter of fact, you will end up cleaning them up. We get in the ball pit. Because remember how you used to act when I used to babysit you, Mucho? We get in the ball pit, so you had to clean them up. Clean it up. Okay. I need to get a bag. The pitch black love in my baby. Here we go. Take it off of me, baby. Y'all remember how Nunu said she can tell everything that she needs to know about a man just from the way he skate? Well, I can tell everything I need to know about a man just from his playlist. That's my problem. I should have got in the car and listened to what was on that playlist in the past. It might have helped me a little bit. But baby, if we can't listen to good music, go eat good food, and tell good jokes together, we're not gonna work. We're not gonna work because that's me in a nutshell. That's it. And go new places, explore new things too. Hello, Uncle Shelly. You subscribe to my channel with my 2 subscribers. How you know?
What's up, Chantel?
Hey, your daddy twin, Journey. Hey, baby girl. Hey. So, girl, I ain't seen you since Christmas. I don't know you. Y'all looking like twins.
Jelly.
She ain't worried about it a little bit.
Yeah, man. Yay. It's over now.
Happy birthday, baby girl. So I'm meeting my friend Bree for lunch here at, I'll tell you the name of it in a second, I forgot. It's a Sumter Brew House. I met Bree working at my little stint at Sykes a while ago. Baby, as soon as them people put me on the floor, I got out of training, I was out of there. So yeah, I'm meeting her for lunch here. She just texted me. Says she's inside.
Wanna sound
myself a rule, but you looking at no other dudes, cause you love me. I'm sorry, baby. So you think about a chance, you find yourself trying to do my dance, maybe cause you love me. So then we tried singing it slow down because you weren't used to how fast we touched. Then we locked eyes.
Come on, thick bow-legged. How are you? Fine. Thanks, you're such a gentleman. Oh, it's cute in here. Oh, it's new. This new.
I know that I'm carrying on. Never mind if I'm showing off. I was just frontin'. You know I want you, babe. I'm ready to bet it on. Unless you don't care at all. You know I want you. You should stop frontin', babe. Trying to be the best girlfriend you could be. Still you sneak and look at me. And girl, I love it. Then you give your other girl a shove.
Can you make a gimlet up here? What? A gimlet?
Missing something.
Gin.
And you need.
That's my baby right there.
Googling.
Oh, that's cool. Thank you kindly.
Can we be together or separate?
Hello. I had a question. Can you say hey to my 2 subscribers? I got 2.
Menu's front and back right here. And everything's bar service. You just want to place your order here at the bar. And most of the food comes out like around.
Oh, because we was looking at them plates like, let's see.
Gonna ask how it was, and she's gonna love it. Whoa, whoa, yeah. So then we tried singing it slow down because you weren't used to how fast we touched. Then we locked eyes. And I knew I wasn't there, and I was gonna tear your ass up. I know that I'm carrying on. Never mind if I'm showing off. I was just.
How you feel about the experience? How you feel about your food, your drink, the atmosphere, the aesthetic?
I wasn't excited. Like, I gotta come back. Like, straight.
I mean, I think it's cute. Maybe if
It was like a group setting.
yeah, maybe the people and stuff was different, it'll be okay.
Yeah.
Now this menu could expand a little more, and these drink ingredients because it's very limited.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. If you made it this far, you already know I rock with you. See all 2 of y'all next time. Bye.